right, welcome back to the channel, everyone, and we are about to head out to a supercar meet right now. The weather has started to clear up a little bit here in Houston. It has been terrible these past couple of days, rainy, cold, but hopefully all that is behind us. It's supposed to warm up, so we're gonna go ahead and pop out to this meet. I don't know how it's gonna be. It could be good, it could be bad, but we'll find out soon enough, man. If you guys are enjoying the content on the channel, feel free to drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. It is like a midday meet, which I had not been to one of these in a very long time. I'm rolling up solo today, but we'll see what is popping. If it's dead, if it's live, honestly, I don't know. This is gonna be a little bit of a toss-up, for real. Not too far away, it's like downtown, so, you know, theoretically, it should be pretty decent, but, really no way to know. What is pulling up behind me? Is that a Mazda? I don't even know what that is. It's like a Jaguar? It looks good, I ain't gonna lie. I wonder if that car is going to the same spot I am. Maybe. Oh, definitely not. Definitely not. Oh well. It was worth a try. I'm about to say, are those things even quick? They probably are, to be honest with you. A lot of cars that are actually pretty quick that you really wouldn't think that would be quick. Hopefully there's not too much traffic, that's all I gotta say. That will be a buzzkill. Not too terrible out here, but if somebody pulls up, I'll cut the vlog back on. But as of right now, I'm about to jam out and just catch you guys in, like, I don't know, 20 minutes when we pull up.
A few moments later.
Terms and conditions apply.
Oh, we got a Hellcat. We got a Hellcat. My traction control right now. Oh, we got a Hellcat. Let's see. It's on stock tires too. We'll see what timing this man is on. Come on, man. Scat Pack's about to pull up on me. Somebody's recording too. I guarantee you the Scat Pack's about to pull up on me, but this highway's packed. Look at this shit. Coming up soon. It's funny because that Scat Pack is actually, like, I think going to the same spot I am. That might be why he was following. That Hellcat, I don't know where he went, but that guy was not trying to run it because that dude was like felt like he was accelerating even more. And typically, if somebody wants it on the highway, if they'll pass you, and then they'll kind of slow down and match your speed, and then that's how you know they want it. But I don't know. That wasn't the case. That highway was packed though, so probably for the best anyway. And that dude was on stock tires too. Like, he probably made the smart decision. It looks actually pretty decent. I ain't gonna cap. Like, this actually looks pretty good. Oh, it don't look bad at all. Doesn't look bad at all. Ooh, that's clean. I wonder where we could park. I think this is like the self parking, I guess. I don't know. Do you have to pay for parking and shit to get in here? No.
It's gonna be $20 for parking.
Oh, $20 for parking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shit. Is there like parking down there or something?
There should be. You can go ahead and U-turn from it.
Alright, yeah. Oh, fuck. Dude, what is this? I'm about to get my shit all dirty. Yeah, $20 for parking and you gotta go through a mud patch. I'm good. I'm not paying for that shit. You got me fucked up.
One eternity later.
That's actually a pretty good turnout. Damn. This actually is a pretty good turnout. Shit. Weather was horrible a couple days ago too. Dang. Shot, my bad. McLaren 720S. Damn. Damn, bro. This turnout's actually kind of crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Look at all these McLarens. Damn. I like the wheels, I ain't gonna lie. Damn.
Oh, really?
Man, dude, this color on the McLaren 720S looks amazing. Wow, I really like that color. You got the top down and everything. Damn. This turnout was legit. Alright. right, hopefully you guys enjoyed the Supercar Meet. That was actually way better than I thought it was gonna be. If you guys enjoyed, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, stay tuned. Deuce.